Hey guys, my name is Andy Wild, founder of the Wild Institute and the Home Service Millionaires Club, and this is a very quick guide on how to use this calculator. So first of all, when you get this calculator, it's going to be in a little file like this, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either open that in Excel or drop it into a Google Drive document because it's going to work a lot better and a lot faster in a Google Drive document than on Excel. So you simply just drop it into here, into your Google Drive, or open it in Excel. It's going to load, and then you simply just open it right up like this. Now, when this calculator opens up, you're going to see two different areas in it. One is going to be commercial calculator pricing, and one is going to be residential calculator pricing. Now, this is super simple. Don't let it complicate for you, right? Don't look at this and be like, oh my God, this is going to be really difficult. It's super easy to do. So all you have to do is simply go to the section that you're looking for, right? We have soft washing, pressure washing. This is roof moss removal. This is window cleaning, deck glass cleaning, all that stuff, right? And same for residential. All you have to do is enter in your square footage into here, right? So for soft washing, if we're washing a building with, let's say, 1,400 square feet, let's do 2,000 square feet just for the hell of it. 2,000 square feet. Then all you have to do here is tailor what the surface kind is. Is it dirty stucco? Is it concrete? Whatever. What is the height of the building? 3 stories, 4 stories, 5 stories, right? Is there a discount based on how many? It's under 2,000, so 0 to 5K. Would you like to do a painter job? No, yes, that just kind of tailors the price. It just gets you as close as possible, and then it will tell you a 2,000 square foot house is $800, right? If you wanted to do a door crasher deal, just click yes. And you can fiddle around, but all you have to do is enter the square footage. Let's say we're doing a 800 square foot driveway, and it's smooth concrete. Yeah, let's do asphalt. The drainage it's far apart. Is there a discount? Sure. 0 to 5. And then do you want to do a door crasher deal? Yes or no? And that's your price right there. Your price is always going to be the light green. What you enter is going to be only ever in the purple. And then how you change it is going to be these little sections here. And the same goes for the residential side of things. Let's say perhaps we're cleaning 200 feet of gutter, and the range is between 1 and 249, right? Because it's 200. Then you select, is it walkable? Is it unwalkable? Let's say, for example, it's walkable, and there is a normal level of debris. Well, that means that, oh, and the number of downspouts. So let's say there's 6 downspouts. This is going to factor in downspouts, right? Roof clean off, downspout flush, and gutter clean for $312. And then this one is going to be just gutter cleaning without downspout flushing. And that's going to be $252. So you can just kind of fiddle around with each of these. Depending on your area, it may get you right on price, or it may be a little bit off. But at the very least, this is going to be able to help you to get as close as possible to your commercial quote or your residential quote. In the meantime, if you are looking for some coaching on how to actually grow and scale your business, maybe you're stuck trying to get results, or maybe you just don't know the next step to take, or you're just too busy to. My name is Andy Wild, and I specialize in helping exterior cleaners grow their businesses into multi-6-figure, even 7-figure businesses. And if you're interested in joining, come to the Facebook group where you can connect with me directly and see all of the helpful tips I have to offer. The link is going to be in the description below. Okay, see you guys soon.